Wow. The palette of knowledge meeting destiny. For those who wish to ride this path, will succeed in journeying on the level their heart desires, will succeed in journeying on the rainbow within. The colors of all hearts do not meet with fear, but meet with love. And is from this love, dreams grow. You can all assist in your dreams growing. Assist each other. And know all your dreams can come true. If it is within you, it is within the now. And it will always be waiting to take that journey with you, waiting to sprout from the soil of the wholeness within you.